In a world where opportunities aren't always equal, leveling the playing field, especially in education, is essential. At the heart of the Bicol region, in the shadows of majestic Mayon, Bicol University champions an inclusive and equitable education anchored in its admissions equity policy. Our dream, our vision. As a university for humanity for sustainable societies, Bicol University, a state university for Bicolano scholars, was confronted with a hard truth. Inequality persists. High-income students outpace low-income peers, not by merit but by advantage. We dare to change that. In the midst of this challenge, we dare to dream and build on our vision of inclusion and equity in education. Bicol University College Entrance Test meets socio-economic profile. We reimagined admissions, factoring in socio-economic context while keeping standards high. More marginalized students admitted without excluding the best and brightest from any group. Excellence kept, equity strengthened. The result? Inclusion and equity in action, reflecting our vision of a university for humanity for sustainable societies. We tackled hidden costs from housing to program fees, ensuring support beyond the gates. With nearly 9,000 scholars, support walks with our students toward employment and empowerment. We deliver on quality education for all. Real access breaks barriers, transforms lives. Bicol University, education without barriers, success without limits.